twin have to say the same word at the same time.
Yes, after lang ano natin na 3, 2, 1, syempre mabilis lang. So, kailangan same yung answers nila. Kaya lang, para alam lang namin kung same ba yung mga naisip natin.
So we'll be provided with a category, and then from then on, we're gonna have to be telepathic.
Yes, we have to be in sync. And syempre dahil kami ni BJ Ozzy, yung pareho kami, kami ni twins for today. And of course, ang mga kapwa PBB hour, sila na ang bad twins today. Twins talaga yung term namin. Okay.
O, di ba?
Ready?
O,
Okay.
syempre, sino ang avid fan ni BJ Ella? O, Ella, pakilala mo na sa inyong mix director ang ayong avid fan. Eto na siya, of course, si Mother. O, say hi, Mother.
Hi!
O,
How are you all there?
o, happy ka na. Ngayon, napanood natin ngayon si Ella.
Yes, very much.
Okay.
The
Oh,
avid
enjoy.
fans
Mm.
of my darling BJ Ella.
Yung category ay PBB Housemate 3, 2, 1. Ha? Sino? Sino sagot? Ate Jess? Ate Jess? Hindi kami sayang.
Syempre, very proud Lola yan. O, say hi, Mother.
Hi!
Hi to mix director. O, kasali ka na sa susunod na shooting ni Ella.
I really? Oh, I have to fix myself with the matching lipstick.
Tingnan natin kung magkakapoint sila.